Hi, I'm Kelly, and today we're unboxing the brand new Cricut Joy 2, the smallest Cricut cutting machine yet. I think you're gonna love what this little machine can do. We're gonna unbox it together, get it all set up, and then since the Joy 2 is all about making it easy to create quick everyday projects, I'll show you how to make an actual vinyl decal from start to finish so you can see exactly how it works. Let's do it. Okay, first things first, let's see what's in here. The Joy 2 comes in 3 colorways and they're all so cute. I have blue here today, but we also have coral and a jade green that's available at Michael's. All right, pulling everything out. Here are our materials. We'll come back to that in a bit. We've got our setup instructions, user guide, and warranty information. And here she is, the Cricut Joy 2. Look at how cute and tiny this is. I'm gonna set this aside just for a second so we can go through the rest. Everything else that's in here is going to vary depending on the bundle that you purchase with your machine. There are 6 different bundle configurations that will give you a different set of tools and materials. This really is one of my favorite things about the Joy 2. We've made it so easy to start making right out of the box. I have the Essentials bundle today, so if you've gone with a different bundle, some things may look a little bit different for you. You get a card mat, a machine mat, and below that are all of our tools. We've got a dual-sided pen, a weeding tool, a spatula, a scraper, a ruler, and something new for the Joy. This is a scoring tool so you can create perfect fold lines. Plus, a trimmer. Going back to our materials from earlier, we have a bunch of things to make your first projects. That includes smart iron-on, smart vinyl, an insert card set, transfer tape, and some cardstock. We've also got printable vinyl so we can make stickers. The Joy 2 comes preloaded with the fine point blade already installed. This is where you'll load your Cricut pens or other tools when you want to write, draw, or score. Now that it's plugged in, you can see this light indicating power. And you can't see it right now, but behind this is a sensor that allows for print and cut, something that the original Joy didn't have. That means you can print full color designs on your home printer and then cut them out perfectly. Think stickers and labels. Okay, I think we're ready to set this thing up. Setting up your Joy 2 is super simple. All you need to do is go to Cricut.com/setup on your phone, tablet, or computer. That's where you'll download Cricut Design Space, our free companion app. Design Space is where you'll find project inspiration, set up your machine, and bring all your ideas to life. Once you're in the app, it's gonna walk you through connecting your machine. Joy 2 uses Bluetooth, so there's no USB required. Just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, power up your machine, and then follow the on-screen prompts. The setup is guided, so it literally tells you exactly what to do at every step. And just like that, your machine is connected and ready to go. That took maybe 2 minutes. Now to walk us through a test cut, and you're ready to make. All right, now for the fun part. We're making a vinyl decal using the vinyl decal flow in Design Space. This guided flow is one of my favorite things about the new generation of Cricut machines. Instead of starting from a blank canvas and wondering where to begin, Design Space actually guides you through the entire process. So here in Design Space, I'm going to select vinyl decal. Design Space is going to ask me a few quick questions. What surface am I decorating? What size I want? And then it opens up the design canvas with everything already set up for a vinyl project. I'm doing labels for these kitchen canisters today, so I'll select text here and type my labels and pick a font. This one looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and hit make. And I don't need a mat for this one, so I'm just gonna load this vinyl straight into the machine. Okay, so once the cut is done, I'll unload the vinyl and it's time to weed. That just means removing the part of the vinyl that you don't want, leaving behind your design. The Cricut Joy 2 cuts so cleanly that weeding was a breeze. I'm using the weeder tool that came in the box to help. So now I'll apply it to my canisters using transfer tape. How cute is that? A completely custom vinyl decal, start to finish, in just a few minutes. That's the Cricut Joy 2. If you've been looking for a machine that's compact and easy to use and still incredibly capable, the Cricut Joy 2 is it. It's perfect for quick, everyday projects like vinyl decals, labels, custom cards, and so much more. And the fact that it now supports print and cut makes it even more versatile than the original. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.